NovacoBridge simplifies the correction process for your charts and publications. NovacoBridge maintains up-to-date catalogues for Admiralty charts and publications, as well as chart complements from other nations. Users can group their charts in folios. The folios can be arranged by voyage, by area, or any other way you choose. These 5 buttons automate the maintenance of NP133, remove the need for TNP folders, and allow you to identify, view, and print all the information you need to manage your chart room. Defining a folio is simple. Click here. Enter the folio name. Select the charts you wish to include and add them to the folio. You can check for corrections in any of your defined folios. For this example, we will use Voyage 1. Click on the correction list. Select the week from which you want to see corrections. By default, corrections will be reported cumulative to the most recent NM available. The correction list contains all the permanent, as well as temporary and preliminary corrections that affect the charts in Voyage 1. The correction list also advises if blocks, tracings, or cautionary notes are available for a correction. The correction list should be printed as a record of your corrections. You no longer need to decipher the index of the NM, maintain NP133, use NP234, or maintain a folder for TNP corrections. NovacoBridge does this for you. Note that all corrections are listed in chart number sequence and any reported data will match this list. Click here to view a custom list of the notices to mariners, showing the text of each correction that applies to your folio. Click here to see related blocks and cautionary notes. Tracings can be selected the same way and can be printed as a batch or one at a time. The TNP button removes the headache of monitoring changes to TNP corrections. To see a list of all TNPs that are in force, click here. Select List to see the TNPs that affect your selected folio. Select Text to see the full text of these TNPs. Select Block or Tracings to see any diagrams or tracings associated with the TNPs affecting your folio. You no longer need to maintain a folder for TNPs. NovacoBridge will provide all the information you need at the click of a button. Corrections for publications are reported the same way chart corrections are reported. Select the catalogue of publications you are interested in. Define the publications for which you wish to view corrections and use these buttons to view the details. Corrections are reported cumulatively since the edition date of each publication or on a weekly basis. NovacoBridge lets you monitor new editions and new charts. As soon as a chart in your folio becomes out of date, it will appear in red. You can create a list of all replaced or withdrawn charts and publications in your folios. A copy may be exported in Excel, PDF, or Word and be used as a requisition for replacing out-of-date documents. When you receive a new edition of a chart or publication, select the old document in your folio and right-click to update its edition date. A report of withdrawn or replaced charts may be viewed by selecting Chart Replacements in Menu Tools. If you'd like to have a hard copy of the Notice to Mariners, add the sections you need to a predefined folio. Click here. You can view and print these sections of the NM for all editions from a set start week that you define. You can also search for corrections as individual NMs. NovacoBridge helps officers simplify the correction process and monitor new editions for charts and publications. It removes the risk of errors by automating the process of maintaining NP133 and chart-specific lists for TNPs. NovacoBridge reduces the onerous task of chart and publication corrections down to a few simple clicks.